What if I told you that your child could become a millionaire by the age of 30 and all it takes is a small habit you build today? No magic, no lottery, no get rich quick scheme, just smart and consistent investing. Let's explore how you can start with as little as $100 a month and help your child unlock financial freedom by the time they hit 30. Welcome to Know and Grow with Mubasher Jillani, where I simplify personal finance for expats in the GCC and anyone around the globe who wants to build financial freedom. In today's video, I will walk you through a practical plan to make your child a millionaire using the power of early investing and compound growth. But make sure that you have built the emergency fund before starting your investment journey. The power of early investing and compounding. Let's say your child is just born or still very young. You decide to invest $100 every month for the first 18 years of their life. That's around the time they'll go to university or start working. Now here's the key. After 18 years, you stop investing completely. That's right. You don't put a single real, dirham or dollar after that. But you don't withdraw either. Your total invested cash in 18 years will be 21,600. You let that money stay invested and grow. The math behind the million. So what happens to that investment? Let's assume an 8% average annual return, which is a conservative estimate based on long-term market performance. In the first 18 years, your $100 monthly total invested 21,600 grows to 49,000. Then over the next 12 years, without adding anything, that amount compounds and grows to about 125,000 by the time your child turns 30. That's a great start, but still far from 1 million, right? So let's flip the scenario. What if your goal is to make them a millionaire by age 30? Then you need to start a bit stronger. So to make your child a millionaire by age 30, here's what you need to do. Invest $803 per month for the first 18 years of their life. That's it. No need to invest after that. This total invested amount of around $173,000 will grow to nearly $400,000 by the end of 18 years. And if you leave it untouched with compound growth, it becomes 1 million by the time your child is 30. Just imagine by that time when your child turns 30, they'll have the financial security, peace of mind, and choices most people only dream of. And that's all because you planted the seed early and let it grow over time. Lessons and action steps. So what's the real message here? The real message is start early, even small amounts grow big over time. Be consistent, automate your investments and don't stop. Let it grow. The longer it stays invested, the more powerful compounding becomes. You don't need to be wealthy to build wealth. You just need to start and be consistent. Whether it's $100 or $800 per month, do whatever you can. You're not just investing money, you are investing in your child's future. If this video inspired you, share it with a parent or a friend. Let's build a generation of financially independent kids, one family at a time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more practical money tips. This is Mubasher Jillani helping you know and grow. See you in the next video.